Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not working in iOS 26. If you are facing connection issue on your Bluetooth keep disconnecting, don't worry, I will got some simple solution for you. Now let's get started. Solution number 1. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth. Turn it off, then wait for few seconds and turn it back on. Sometime a quick reset is all you need to fix mirror Bluetooth issues. Solution number 2. Reset network setting. Go to setting on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap general. Tap transfer reset iPhone. Select reset. Tap reset network setting. Enter your passcode to confirm. This will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular and Bluetooth setting, but it won't to delete your data. Solution number 3. Update your iOS. Open the setting app. Tap on general. Select software update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Apple often fixes Bluetooth issues in new updates, so make sure you are on the latest iOS 26 version. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. A forced restart can clear temporary system glitches that may be affecting Bluetooth. That's it, guys. These are 4 simple ways to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone in iOS 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and will you see in the next video.